is the future of Europe by scenarios. More, not on the level of...
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Science Mid-Regional Seminar. Welcome to the Basque Country for all of you who are coming from abroad. And thank you also for accepting our invitation to be here with us this morning. When we received the proposal from the Committee of the Regions to hold this seminar, here in the Basque Country, we decided to do it in San Sebastian. We happily took the task of organizing it because we think and we consider that the Basque Country have been intensively living the concept and the desire to be somewhere important from the innovation point of view. We want to be considered as a pioneer region in innovation, so it's a good thing to start with this seminar today. Thank you, Mr. Makula, for choosing us as the destination to hold this seminar, and we trust that we will be able to meet the expectations both from the Committee of the Regions and from the Joint Research Centre. The fact is that, as I mentioned earlier, I was with the media some minutes ago. Here in the Basque Country, we have always clearly defended that the active participations of the regions in Europe will be something important, and at this moment it will be relevant for the future of the European Union. At this moment, we are witnessing a transformation in the European Union, plagued with tension, and many reference states are under a big pressure now. And our role, the role of the regions, will be crucial, more and more relevant in the next years. Interregional collaboration and the constitution of regional alliances between pioneer regions in innovation is so important for us, for the Basque Country, because it enables us to better position and contribute to the efficiency and competitiveness of our regions and, of course, for the Basque Country. Here in our country, we contribute to European construction. We really feel that we do that, based on respect for the rest of the regions, of course, but in collaboration with them, working day by day to gain and to be a pioneer region and on the cutting edge of innovation. Our actions are in terms of a region, and we claim recognition, of course, because we are a proper region, a proper nation, and we have a political and cultural different position nowadays. Especially now in this context, we feel and we find ourselves in the Spanish states with a special capacity and the right to act as a different autonomous community, a different region in the Spanish area, considering all the regions in Spain. We have a different consideration, and I am speaking, of course, from an administrative and institutional level. A bilateral and exclusive kind of relations with the Spanish state is related to the Basque Country position, to the Basque Country different position nowadays, and we have to explore and to take advantage of this different position. The Basque Country is living in the area of agreements with Europe, with different regions in Europe, and agreements in the Spanish state. And I consider that it is more complicated, more harder to explain that we have no agreements than to explain and to discuss the reasons for agreements, because all agreements are good for our citizens, and in this sense we have to explore them and to consider them as something important, even if sometimes it is not populist or it is not sufficiently populist. But we have the obligation to do that, to look for agreements in the European Union level and in the Spanish level. That said, I reiterate our gratitude as the Basque Country for being considered as an important region, as a region to hold this event. And we have limited the attendance to the seminar just to arrive more directly to you, and you are the most relevant actors in innovation for our country. Among the attendees, for our people from the Committee of the Regions and from the Joint Research Centre, I have to say that we have institutional partners, the Basque Country, the government, of course, the Basque government, the SPRI, our agency for industrial development, and of course from the Provincial Council of Guipúzcoa. We are now in Guipúzcoa. The Basque Country has 3 different provinces. One is Guipúzcoa. We are located here, and we have some representative of the provincial government. Of course, the heads of the Basque Innovation Agency in Basque and the Basque Institute for Competitiveness Orchestra. We have representatives from the 4 universities in the Basque Country, the public university and the 3 private ones, from Deusto, from Mondragon, and from Navarra, and important agents from the Basque Network of Science and Technology, as Tecnalia and IK4, and our cooperative research centers, and of course our clusters. So I trust that you all will find the seminar interesting, and I declare it open, of course, and I give the floor to the President of the Regions, Mr. Markku Markkula. So thank you very much for being here with us, and together the Director General of the Joint Research Centre, Charlina Bicheva, I don't know if I said it okay, will be here with us after Mr. Markkula. So thank you very much for both of them.
Concrete normal life. So we are talking very much can be the success and what are the only to happen, speeding up the change. And that was March, early April, and I myself had a city development, and which on that as part of on this sustainable smart city development.